In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Monzo account on iPhone or Android. First, install the Monzo app on your phone. Head to the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Monzo and download the official app. A strong internet connection helps the app install and run smoothly, especially during verification. Once it's installed, open the app and choose to start a new account application. The app will guide you through each screen, so take a moment to read any prompts carefully. This is a banking app, so accuracy matters at every step. You'll be asked to enter your personal details, provide your legal name, date of birth, and your current home address exactly as they appear on your identification. Consistency reduces the chances of delays. If the app asks for additional basic information, fill it in truthfully and double-check everything before moving on. Next comes identity verification. You'll upload a photo ID, such as a passport, driving license, or national ID, and you'll record a short selfie video. This process helps confirm that you're the real person opening the account, which is required for security and compliance. When photographing your ID, place it on a flat, well-lit surface, keep the edges visible, and avoid glare. Clean your camera lens for a sharper image, and ensure all text is readable. If there are front and back sides, capture both as instructed. For the selfie video, find a quiet, well-lit spot. Hold your phone steady, follow the on-screen directions, and make sure your face is clearly visible. Remove hats or sunglasses and keep your expression natural. If the app asks you to turn your head or say a short phrase, do it slowly so the system can match your face to your ID. Make sure you meet the basic eligibility. You should be a UK resident for UK accounts or a US resident for US accounts, and you must have a valid, accepted form of ID. If you're traveling, your registered address still needs to be in the eligible country. After you submit your documents and video, Monzo will review them. Many verifications complete within minutes, but some can take a bit longer. Keep the app open or check back shortly. You'll see a confirmation in the app once it's done. When your identity is verified, your Monzo account will be created automatically. That's it. You've downloaded the app, started the application, provided your details, confirmed your identity, and you're ready to start banking with Monzo.